Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about the iPad mini 6th generation. This iPad came out in September of 2021, and we are approaching September of 2023, but I just bought this, and I'm going to talk about why I bought an iPad mini 6 in 2023, how it's doing, and whether you should buy one or not. Now, if you're watching this video when it comes out, should you buy an iPad mini 6? Probably not. If you're looking at getting one used or, refurbished or something like that and you're getting a discount on it, it may be worth it. They are going to be supported for, a couple more years to come in terms of repairs and iPadOS updates and that kind of stuff. But if you're going to the Apple Store and going to pay full price for one of these, I would hold off because I think we're probably going to see another update here in the next couple months. Apple usually doesn't go more than a couple years without updating their iPad lineup. But this thing right here, I picked it up just because it's small. Nice one-handed, like I said, like you've seen before in my YouTube shorts. If you've seen those, got a broken ankle right now. I'm going to cast them on crutches, and this thing I can hold up next to my crutches and I can carry it around very easy and take it, room to room and stuff like that to use it. Where I can't do that with my giant Galaxy Tab S9. And I'm back on the iPhone right now for iOS 17 and the betas and that kind of stuff. So I wanted something just to kind of fill back in that Apple ecosystem. But I didn't want to pay, $1,000 for an iPad Pro again. I really didn't think I needed all that because it ends up that I just start watching YouTube videos on it and stuff like that and scrolling through Twitter. I don't need an iPad Pro to do that. I didn't plan on running Final Cut Pro or anything like that, like on the M1 or M2 iPads. So I thought this little iPad would be pretty nice. Of course, you can get a full-size 10th gen iPad that's almost the same form factor as this, but a little bit bigger. It's a little bit cheaper, a little bit less processor, but this has the A15 Bionic in it, which is the same that is in the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. So performance, it works just fine. Battery life is just fine. I get about a day and a half out of it if I'm really using it, watching YouTube videos, that kind of stuff. And really, not having any kind of issues or anything like that. The only thing coming from an iPad Pro and Galaxy Tab S9 and an iPhone 14 Pro is you can definitely see the fact that the screen is not ProMotion or 120 Hertz or anything like that. So that is definitely one thing that it lacks. But other than that, the screen is just fine. It is a laminated display, so you don't have to worry about it feeling like it's under the glass. It is laminated. It does support the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. It does have a spot to charge it, so it's not like the iPad 10th generation where you have to get a Lightning to USB-C adapter to charge it because it still uses the other port and doesn't have a spot to dock it. This one does, so you don't have to worry about any of that. It does have Touch ID on the power button right here, which I actually really like. So if you wake it up like this, you can touch it once and it unlocks. So if you wake it up, just tap it. It unlocks and it says rest to open. So right now, if you wanted to read like notifications or something like that with it unlocked, you could see them. And then if you rest your finger up there, it does unlock. Or you can swipe up with it already unlocked. If you just tap the power button to wake it up, it just goes right in. So I like how they added that because it lets you unlock to read notifications without having to swipe in. And then of course you can just swipe into your home screen right there. So performance, like I said, great. Battery life is great. Some people say it's not the best, but I haven't had any issues getting all-day battery life with it. I use it for notes and stuff like that, reminders, watching YouTube, checking YouTube stats, eBay, just managing sales and printing shipping labels and that kind of stuff. And it's a perfect little tablet for all that. Price is a little bit high at $499. I got it on Amazon, so it was like 5% off because Amazon's always having a discount on something. But, I needed an iPad, and this is the one I wanted, so I had to pay the price. And I would recommend, like I said, you guys wait and see if something else new comes out in September. If it doesn't, get one of these on sale somewhere. Don't pay $500 for it at this point. But other than that, it's a great little tablet, and I think the iPad mini 6 is holding up great in 2023. Hopefully with the release of the iPhone 15 coming up, if we get an A16, maybe they'll upgrade it to that. Maybe they'll do an M1 iPad mini. I think using the M1 and the iPad mini would be perfect. There's real no reason to go up to an M2 and an iPad mini. They use that in the new generation Pros. So I think if they throw an M1 in there, that would be great. Battery life on the M1 is really good. Performance on the M1, of course, is really good. But other than that, that is the iPad mini 6th generation in 2023. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.